Hey hypercoders, ready to level up your Flutter game? So this is the first video of our 28 plus video series, and later we will release the GetIt with clean architecture in easy to understand format. Designed to take you from understanding the basic to mastering advanced concepts in the GetIt development, and first ever on the YouTube, and that too free. By the end, you will be writing cleaner, scalable and more efficient code. We will see how GetIt simplifies service management and keeps your code neat. Plus, we will touch on the locator pattern that is actual magic behind the GetIt. So let's dive in and make your Flutter journey smoother. So basically, what is dependency injection? First, let's break it down. Dependency injection is a design pattern where object receives their dependency from an external source rather than creating themselves. This makes your code more flexible, scalable and testable. For example, say you have a database service that needs to be used in multiple widgets. Instead of initializing it every single time, DI or I can say dependency injection allows you to create it once and inject it wherever needed. So you might have the question that what's the problem we might face without using dependency injection. So let's take a look on this code. Notice how we are manually passing database service down the widget tree. As the app grows and service multiply, this method become cumbersome and error prone. Basically, you end up passing services everywhere, which makes the code messy and harder to maintain. So now you might have the question, how GetIt is solving this? It's simple service locator for Flutter. You register your services once and then you can retrieve them from anything or anywhere in the application without worrying about passing them down manually. Think of GetIt like a central registry. You register an instance and when you need it, you just call GetIt to retrieve it. So now let me create another file and show you. In this code, we first create a simple database service with a fetch data method. We then register this service as a singleton using GetIt in the main function. Basically, you don't need to worry about what is singleton, what is factory for now. This is just for giving you a glimpse about how GetIt is working. In the home screen widget, we retrieve the service using GetIt database service and then call fetch data. This keeps the code clean, avoiding the need to manually pass the service down the widget tree. So you might have the question that what is locator pattern? The service locator pattern is a design approach where a central locator manages and provides access to a services or dependencies. Instead of manually passing the service everywhere, you register them once and the locator provides them on demand. This decouples the client from the service creation logic. Here is simple diagram to visualize it. As you can see, services like database service and auth service are registered in a central location. Whenever any widget needs a service, it queries the locator to retrieve it. This makes the code more maintainable and less error prone. And yes, we will have an in-depth tutorial on the locator pattern in our upcoming system design playlist. So stay tuned for that. Here you might have the question why we need to use the GetIt. So first of all, the biggest advantage is the global access. So let me show you how. So here you can see, even if we are having this class right now in the same Dart file, but if it's in another class or anywhere in the project, by using this GetIt auth service, we can access our service without passing down to the widget tree. So this proves that using GetIt, we can access all the registration anywhere in our project. Another benefit is cleaner code. Without GetIt, you would need to pass services down through constructors, cluttering your widget tree. GetIt removes this need, keeping your code cleaner. So as we have seen here, without GetIt, we need to pass the database services here to use in our main build. But with using the GetIt, we don't need to do anything. We just need to use this. So this proves that we can clear our code with the GetIt. Another benefit is in the testing file. So if I open this and creating one class like authentication service mocking. So here you can see we have created mock service for the auth service, and without doing anything we can easily swap original service with the mocking service, and we are able to test our code base. Another benefit is the scalability. So as your application grows, manually managing multiple services become complex. GetIt simplifies this by managing service efficiently. So if tomorrow, if you want to add more service, you can add without any hesitation and use it via GetIt locator pattern without even cluttering or passing the dependencies throughout the application. And that's the magic behind the GetIt. One-time registration, effortless retrieval, and clean scalable code. But wait, you might be thinking, how do I install and set up GetIt step by step in my Flutter project? Are there any bad practice? Don't worry, that's exactly what we will cover the next. In the next video, I will guide you through how to install and set up GetIt step by step. So don't miss it, hit the like button if this was helpful, and subscribe for more Flutter insights. I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.